Grumpy's LaidBak carbons. We're gonna do a lighter case today. I got this inspiration from Jordy Johnson over at Carbon Fusion. He did the epoxy lighter cases and I love it. I've been carving them since then. That's addicting. This is one I did. This is one I did today, but messed up on the video. So guess what? We're doing it again. We're gonna do this one. All right. We'll see how this goes today.
Grumpy shop, it's 2:30. Broken clocks and rusty screws, rattling shelves, dust in the air. Ain't no sunshine anywhere. Grumpy's face like carved in stone, growls with grit, hard overthrown. Old guitar with strings been missed, playing riffs with a side of twist. Shake it up in Grumpy's den, rocking out no 9 to 10. Turn the knobs and let it wail. Grumpy shop forever scales. Neon lights, they flicker dim. Grumpy hums a shattered hymn. Wooden floors, they've seen it all. Nothing here but music's call. Echoes bounce in every nook. Every corner's got a look. Rhythms rise with every drop. Magic lies in Grumpy's shop. Shake it up in Grumpy's den, rocking out no 9 to 10. Turn the knobs and let it wail. Grumpy shop forever scales.
Dremel buzzing, lathe thumbing, hands in steady sway. Shavings falling like snowflakes, turning wood to clay. Grain revealing faces, spirits in the wood. Dust in the air, therapy's understood. Wood and smoke, life in a tangled dance. Carving through pain, giving grain a second chance. Medicating moments, sharing time with ghosts. Peace in creation, wood spirits play the host. Hands trace the lines, stories in each slice. Sweat and patience blend, little figures rise. Each twist, each turn, an age-old tale. In the dust and the smoke, find a soul to hail. Wood and smoke, life in a tangled dance. Carving through pain, giving grain a second chance. Medicating moments, sharing time with ghosts. Peace in creation, wood spirits play the host. Silent whispers in the brain, marking time's tender grip. Lathe and Dremel sing, mellows out life's trip. Dust like golden sunlight, sparkles in the air. Crafting peace in faces, finding solace there. Workshop, sacred ground, where mind gets lost. Carved from ancient timber, who cares the cost? Swap the pain for purpose, turning sorrows gray. Wood spirits emerge, chasing clouds away. Wood and smoke, life in a tangled dance. Carving through pain, giving grain a second chance. Medicating moments, sharing time with ghosts. Peace in creation, wood spirits play play the host. Hands trace the lines, stories in each slice. Sweat and patience blend, little figures rise. Each twist, each turn, an age-old tale. In the dust and the smoke, find the souls a hill. Silent whispers in the gray, marking time's tender grip. Lathe and Dremel sing, mellows our life's trip. Dust like golden sunlight, sparkles in the air. Crafting peace in faces, finding solace there. Workshop sacred ground, where mind gets lost. Carved from ancient timber, who cares the cost? Swap the pain for purpose, turning sorrows gray. Wood spirits emerge, chasing clouds away.
Sawdust in the air, spirits come to play. Grumpy's got the lathe, dreams in wood each day. Dremel whispers sweet, shaping life's design. Crafting joy and peace, one carving at a time. Wood chips flying fast, laughter fills the space. Grumpy's therapeutic touch, carving out a place. Dust therapy for soul, peace within the grain. Here at Grumpy's shop, every piece is made with pain. Grains weave stories old, tales of forest kings. Every cut precise, as the chisel sings. Mesmerizing swirls, figures come alive. In this sacred shop, where art and hands revive. Wood chips flying fast, laughter fills the space. Grumpy's therapeutic touch, carving out a place. Dust therapy for soul, peace within the grain. Here at Grumpy's shop, every piece is made with pain. Sweep away the doubts, bristle brush in hand. Heart and soul in sync, with every woodsy strand. Creation's caught in bark, stories etched in lines. Grumpy's calling forth, magic intertwined. Morning light creeps in, shadows dance on wood. Every spirit free, from the tree it stood. Dremel's gentle hum, lulling troubled sleep. In this workshop warm, our hearts and spirits keep.
Shavings fall, wood dust in the air. Lace spins slow, like I just don't care. Crafting faces, spirits taking form. Chronic pain eased, creativity warm. Dremel buzzing, working on the grain. Hand-carved thoughts flow, easing the pain. Roach clips gleaming, earthy feel. Dust therapy slow, these wounds I seal. Grumpy's hands, steady, never slack. Creating magic where wood meets track. LaidBak vibes, each piece unique. In the workshop groove with souls they speak. Smoky medication, mind gets free. Tool to the timber, purely therapy. Wood whispering, stories it tells. Crafting my piece, no need for spells. Gritty life lessons, all in a carve. Smooth and rough edges, that's how I starve. Pain from the body, escape goes fast. In the swirl of dust, I found my past. Spirit visions etched deep and true. Cedar dreams or a pine wood view. Smoke curls high, mind's medication. In my little corner, found salvation. Gritty life lessons, all in a carve. Smooth and rough edges, that's how I start. Pain from the body, escape goes fast. In the swirl of dust, I found my past. Spirit visions etched deep and true. Cedar dreams or a pine wood view. Smoke curls high, mind's medication. In my little corner, found salvation.
Alright, now let's see what we look like. Not bad. Eyes do light up a little bit, but I wish that had worked. I wish it would have been like that in both of them. That would be better. Not too much glow back there. A little bit. More on the front side though. Alright, cool. Thank you for watching. There we go, get her closer for you. Alright, thank you.